Welcome back to the Tailor Sallee channel, your go-to spot for sustainable fashion, thrift flips, and upcycled creations. Today we're diving into a fun and easy tutorial to transform old graphic tees and flannels into a one-of-a-kind custom tops that are perfect for any occasion. Let's get started. First, grab any graphic t-shirt you want to use for this project. I thrifted mine, of course, and lay it flat and grab a ruler. Place the ruler just before the arm seams and draw a straight line down to the bottom hem. Do the same thing on the other side of the shirt. Now, take your scissors and carefully cut along those lines to remove the sides of the shirts. Don't worry about perfection, semi-straight lines work just fine. Once you've done that, pause and take a look. Your t-shirt should now look something like this. Sleeves removed and ready for the next step. Now it's time to bring in the flannel. Lay the flannel shirt flat and locate the long sleeves. Using the squares on the flannel fabric as a guide, cut a straight line above an inch before the arm seams. You'll do this on both sleeves. Once the sleeves are separated, we're also going to cut out the middle section of the flannel. This will later be replaced by the graphic design from the t-shirt, giving it a fun patchwork vibe. Here comes the fun part, putting it all together. Flip the t-shirt inside out so that the right sides are facing inward. Do the same for the flannel sleeves. Take the shoulder seams of the t-shirt and align them with the shoulder seams of the flannel sleeves, pinning them right sides together. Continue pinning all the way down both sides of the shirt. This is what your project should look like at this stage. Everything pinned in place and ready to sew. Time to get stitching. I'll be using a serger for a clean professional finish, but you can absolutely use a regular sewing machine. If you're using a sewing machine, make sure to select a zigzag stitch for stretch and durability. Don't forget to back tack at the ends for extra security. Alright, and here's a quick reminder of where we started: a basic graphic t-shirt and thrifted flannel. And now boom, here's the final result, a sustainably made, one-of-a-kind rework piece that's perfect for your next thrift flip. Upcycling is all about giving old clothes a new life, and this tutorial is a fun way to make something that's uniquely you. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more sewing projects, and don't forget to click the bell to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching, happy upcycling!